Hi, I know what you're thinking. Is that the same shirt from yesterday? Yes, it is. I slept in it and I woke up. And my mind said, you know what? Let's start our day with some Apink. Apink Dilemma just came out February 14th. Oh, Valentine's Day. They've been in the game for a mad minute too, actually. Real talk. Dilemma MV. Guys, if you haven't followed the Discord, check it out. Link in the description down below. Please check out the Twitch as well if you haven't already. If you haven't been watching me, then what are you doing? I mean, today is gonna be 3 p.m. PST once this video comes out, and I'm probably gonna be playing some like K-pop games, etc., etc. Without further ado, let's just get into this. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Apink Dilemma MV. Let's get it. Let's go. We got subtitles. Can we even go 4K? Can we go for? Oh, no 4K this time. All right. 3, 2, 1. Oh, backwards. Iconic right there. Literally when they just sat down and all just staring down. I mean, it looked like a beginning of an epic legendary TV show that is on their final season for some reason. Okay, Art. Damn, why do I feel attacked? It's over. You never loved me. Oh. Damn, don't call me out like that. You not well. Damn, they coming out with the gun swinging, pop, 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 everybody. With the lyrics? Oh. But I can't leave you, can't let go. Ah. It's okay even if the flame died out? It's okay to pretend that it's love? Is it though? I am hurt if, what? It'll hurt if I'm no longer in your mind? Oh. That is a dilemma, girl. Ooh, what was that? Hold up. Ooh, okay, that. Oh damn, she actually is teary-eyed. Let's go acting. Ooh! The instrumental change? Wait, what'd she say? I'm dizzy in the room without you. With the messy hair, I'm hugging my wet pillow. Oh, she crying then. Getting thinner and thinner. Damn, they going through all that ish. I become alive again when you appear again. Whoa, another instrumental change again. Like a little change up. Ooh, she attacking it like. Oh, I love that part. How she did that. Hey, hey. It's like basically like still keeping on to what was once before. It'll hurt more if I'm no longer in your mind. Damn. Ooh, that little part. Ooh, I like that already. Ooh. Girl, be careful with that glass. Even though it's animated glass. Oh, that was a fire shot. Just like in a what's it called again? On the interrogation room. They always could see you. And then boom, that's a dope shot. Oh, I like that. Can't you wake me up as a dream? Bro, that scream was silent but was heard. Ooh, break it down now. Hey, with them gold boots too? Ooh. Vocal in the back. It's like all the tears put together. Ooh, girl. Okay, aesthetically pleasing as always, Apink. This shot right here is iconic. That's a wallpaper. That's an art piece. Hands down, Dilemma. Well, damn, Apink. Coming back strong with Dilemma. We literally talking about dilemmas for real, for real. Put in the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Boy JRE from JREKML. Damn, I haven't said that in a minute. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. See you guys in the next video. Or on Twitch. See you guys. Bye. Link in the description. Bye.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
I'm sipping on soju. Hey, do I know you? He got an ex, so that joint is old school. I'm in it like swimwear.